welcome back to my channel. So today your girl is dropping with the most highly anticipated video ever, like my most requested look of my life. Like literally every single day I get a comment on my my ABH lip swatch video on how I achieved this eye look, what lashes I was using, what glitter I was using, all of that. So you know what, I'm gonna put it all to rest and I'm gonna film this for you guys. I've been wanting to do this video for so long, and it's not like it's a hard eye look. It's really simple. It's just that I felt like, because I had a tutorial sort of this look before, so I was just like, I don't want to do it again. But then I was looking back at the video and I was like, no, my makeup skill was horrible back then. So you know what? I'm coming with a new one today, okay? I kind of messed up the glitter eye a little bit, so it still wasn't my best. Still isn't my best. But I did this look on my ABH video and it has received 32,000 views at this point. It's crazy. I have so much views on that video and anyone and everyone asked me to do this eye look. So here you go. So before we jump on to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all my social medias. They're all linked down below, and my Instagram is my most active platform ever, like ever. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. So I'm gonna first take those two colors from the Morphe 35O palette, a light orange and a pukey camel brown color, mix them together and apply that onto my crease with my big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics in the number 101, and flicking it out on the outer corner to give it an edge and like a winged out shadow look. And then I'm gonna go into the next two shades. They both have a reddish warm undertone. One is straight up reddish brown and the other one has a little bit more orange to it. Applying that with my Zoeva 227 brush, which is a much more precise blending brush. I'm focusing the colors more on the outer corner, building the intensity on the outer corner, and then blending it into my crease. And then I'm going to go in with that bright eyeshadow with the same big fluffy brush. I'm going to match all those colors by blending the orange eyeshadow out right on top of all those colors, so it makes the orange stand out even more. And then I'm going to go in with my dark chocolatey brown with a pencil brush. I'm first focusing it on the outer corner and blending that into my crease. And then taking back that two red brown shade that we just took just now with a little bit of that dark brown on the same Zoeva 227 brush. You want to continuously blend until you get the desired darkness that you would like on the outer corner, and blend that with the big fluffy brush. Next, just taking that copper shade in that palette, you just want to apply that all over the lid space. You don't have to make it too high in pigmentation because we will be going in with glitter. You can decide to opt out of the glitter and just leave with the copper shade on your lids, but you know your girl is extra as fuck. And then going in with the e.l.f. glitter glue, I'm first applying it on the lid and then going in with bulk glitters in the shade rose gold and just packing it right on top of the lid. You can see that the whole eye look just changed and became boom shakalaka. You know what I mean. After the glue and glitter has dried, I will go in with my 227 brush by Zoeva and blend the outer corners so it won't look so harsh from the glitter to the eyeshadow. So for the wing eyeliner, you guys know the drill. I'm taking my ZA Cosmetics liquid liner for the outline and the Catrice liquid liner to fill in the gaps. I did a pretty thick wing liner but kept the liner on the lids as thin as I could. For the lashes, I'm using the style Poetic by Creative Soul. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by priming my face. I have to put my mirror here because I swear to God, I cannot see. I just cannot see. I don't think it bothers you guys that I have the mirror in front of me, but it bothers me. Like, so much. You guys know I always use my Australis Matte Out Mattifying Face Base, and at this point I'm just like, I cannot wait for it to be done. I'm just so over this primer already, and I have to stop filming at night because when I film at night I just don't want to use new things, you know, because there's no chance of me going out. So I'm just like, I don't want to. Like, I just don't want. Foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match. For foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I'm going to be applying a few of the Makeup Transformation drops by Catrice. And this foundation is about to finish, which is why I want to use it. I am shaking. Okay, I might have put a bit too much in my cover drops, but we'll see. Ugh. I don't want to say anything too soon because do you remember my last video? Where I was like, oh, like it's gonna match me perfectly, or ooh, it's so dark. And like it ended up like so much lighter. To blend out my foundation, I'm using my Brina Beauty blender. Or blending sponge. Or pearl, blending pearl, I think that's what it's called. So I'm just gonna blend it out. So for concealer, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I need to repurchase in a new shade. And I just feel like I've had this for so long. It's probably expired at this point. And it's just gross. Okay, it's gross. I shouldn't have this in my collection anymore. It's too much. Okay, so I'm gonna put on liquid highlight because I don't know why I've been loving this look lately. So I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops, and I know they're coming out with new ones, and I pray and hope they actually fix the formula, because as you guys know, it is beautiful, it is blinding, but it is a bitch to blend, and I feel like sometimes it's just way too fast, and it just leaves this weird streak. So I hope they fix the formula. Look, the streak is coming. I'm the only one that finds it so damn difficult to blend. Like, I have other liquid highlighters and they're not like that, you know? Like, this one was like, damn. I mean, the glow is unreal. You know, it's beautiful. Like, you would just like... I'm willing, you know? I'm gonna blend that out first because I don't want it to look very disgusting and patchy. Set my whole entire face and eyes. So first I'm gonna go in my Mosaic Cosmetics loose powder. I'm actually running out of powders, which is like so crazy to me because I don't really run out of powders. Oh no, I didn't blend. I just feel like running out of powder is such a weird thing because it's just that thing that you don't really need but you like actually legit need it, you know? So if you guys have any suggestions for any new powder, please let me know. Just setting the rest of my face with that. Try to avoid the highlight area. Just try. So I kind of fixed the glitter a little bit, but I think I kind of messed it up a little bit more. But it's okay, we got this. You know, some days we just not doing it right, okay? To bronze up my skin, I'm using my Catrice Prime and Fine contouring palette. And I'm just gonna bronze up my skin. And then to contour, my skin, I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Gonna contour up my skin. Oh, don't you hear when your nose is so itchy when you have makeup on? It's like, why? Curse you! Curse! For blush, I'm using MAC Melba because it's a nice peachy blush and it matches the eye look a bit more. Just applying that onto my cheeks. And for highlight, I'm going to be using the Essence Glow to Go highlighter palette, you guys. This highlighter palette is amazing. I've been using it every single time I do my makeup now. It's just the most gorgeous, blinding ass highlight. I talked about this in my Instagram story the other day. Guys, that's just from swatching. Oh, look at it. It's that, honestly, the swatches of it is just, it just does not do justice on how gorgeous it is on your face. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna take that gold bronzy shade and this white gold, and I'm just gonna apply that because I love that bronzy shade, but it's way too dark for me. And I'm just gonna apply that. Do you see that? Bitch. If you're not shook, I don't know what's wrong with you. You just psycho. You're not right. I'm too dramatic when it comes to makeup. And then okay, albeit I have that Marc Jacobs underneath, but it has been covered over with like powders and all of that, but this highlight is on another level. Ooh. 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 I mean, you just want to glow everywhere, just like She's just a bit harsh, so I'm just gonna take my fan brush and just start packing it. Like, not packing it, sorry, but blending it.
Girls, what you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so player. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime. Showtime. Guess who's back again? Long time. A long time. Hey, shut up. Designer mix. Inglewood's finest shoes. Ooh, ooh. Might hurt yourself. Yeah.
Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes and the whole entire face, we're only left with the lips. And for the lips, because this look is very like a peachy, like coppery, corally kind. Okay, it's not a coral look, and that was a joke. It's like a coppery, brownie kind of look. So I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D Lolita 2. I don't know if I want to go in Lolita, but I'm just gonna go into Lolita 2 first, and then we'll see how it goes. If I like it, we'll keep it. If not, I'll just go into Lolita. But yeah, I'm gonna apply that first. So yeah, this is the completed look. I decided to go with my Kat Von D Lolita 2 because I still think it gives a nice orange hue to it, and I feel like it just complements this whole entire look together. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope I fulfilled your, you know, highly anticipated video. I feel like this is definitely my highly anticipated video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you girls. Bye.